Coming in for a landing. Parrot Disco coming in for a landing. X style. Oh. There you go. Hey, overshot. You overshot it. Damn, Max, you were right there, bro. Man, we're gonna have to glue some wheels on that thing.
I know, right? You had it. I did. I blew it.
Attempt number 2 coming in for landing. Little quick meetup for Rockaway Beach, 44th Street. There we go. Coming in for landing. There you go. Ah, there you go. Perfect. Perfect landing for the Parrot Disco.
Just a little bit.
That was perfect. I
actually wanted to light here. I'm like, what? 80 feet off?
There you go, the Parrot Disco in for the landing. Man, we got to glue some wheels on this thing.
The wheels might cause it to topple, no?
I don't know.
You think?
Channel.
You can hear me. Alright. I have to look on the other radio.
Parrot coming in for landing number 2. Parrot Disco. Here we go. Well, that's instant landing. Coming in. Anyone hear me? Alright. Got the radios, communication. It's a key.
Lord, it's got to be some spray, you know, like a spray. You know those rubber seal coatings? That would help it, but that would help seal it. We're way up the well. Like scrape your knee on the ground, take